Oh, nice burp, Buddha.
I did burp.
Yeah, you did burp.
I did burp.
Yeah, I believe you did.
Hey, chicken.
Be nice. Yes.
Oh no! I do. Hey, Didi.
Yeah.
Come here. Come here.
Come here. I'm coming. What? Oh. Kitty's down there?
Yeah.
Well, go get the headphones.
How about?
Yeah. Okay. All right. And then just dangle them. See? See? Oh, maybe he's tired.
Huh?
Maybe he's tired. He's tired. Go. I'm here. I'm right here. I'm right here. Hey.
Get your picture.
Okay, take a picture. Okay, I took a picture. Can I give the kitty a kiss? Oh, isn't that sweet? Say nice kitty.
Yeah. I'm nice.
Yeah. Whoa. Careful. Put that back. That's right. It goes back there. Oh, that goes back too.
It's back too.
Yes, it goes back too. Whoa, careful. It's heavy. Thank you. You okay?
No. Yeah.
You okay?
I need the door. Careful door.
Yeah, careful the door.
I can't close the door.
No, it's fine. You close the door.
Oh no! A key!
Where'd the kitty go?
Huh?
Where'd he go?
Where'd the key go?
I don't know, but you want to let the dogs in?
A dog?
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, dogs are there.
A key and a door?
We'll open the door for him.
Okay.
Gonna lock it?
Huh?
You gonna shut it all the way and lock it?
No, a key.
When you can't.
Cause a key.
What?
A door.
Yeah. You gotta close the door all the way.
It goes all the way.
Yes. Thank you. Lock it?
Huh?
Lock it. Great. Thank you.
Okay. Oh no.
Oh no, where'd the kitty go?
Key right here.
Oh, kitty's right there. Is kitty hiding from you? Whoa.
Oh.
You kind of hit the kitty.
The key.
Say sorry.
Sorry. Sorry.
Uh-huh.
Where had you the coat?
What?
Where had you coat?
Time to go night-nights?
No.
What do you mean no?
Ah,
You ready for night-nights?
no.
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 Go to sleep?
No.
No. What are you going to do? Are you going to stay awake?
Awake.
Awake. Good night-night right here?
Awake! Look at that. What?
Didi's going to go night-night.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, I can't. You
What do
can't.
What do you mean I can't?
Oh no! Oh no! I'm gone.
It's all gone.
Cause I'm gone.
Kitty's all gone? Okay, give Didi a kiss night-night.
No.
What do you mean no?
Cause the key are gone.
Okay, give Didi a kiss night-night.
No.
Yes.
The key are gone.
Yes, Kitty went night-night.
Huh?
Kitty went night-night. Kitty went to
No.
bed.
Huh?
Kitty went to Didi's room to go night-night. It's Ember. That's Auntie's kitty. And Kitty went night-night.
No.
What do you mean no? I do believe that's a yes.
No.
Yes.
Oh yeah, upstairs.
Yes, upstairs. Kitty went upstairs.
I'm going.
Yeah.
No, please. Oh no. No.
Excuse me.
Oh, that was lovely. That was on tape. All right, give Didi a kiss night-night.
Love you, Didi.